What's up, guys? So this is gonna be my first YouTube video, or second I would guess, and this is my 2017 Honda Civic Si. What I got done to the car, I have the MAPerformance RACE catback exhaust, the Ktuner V2 TSP Stage 1 tune. I'm currently lowered on D2 springs, and that's about it for now. I'm just gonna take you guys on a quick little drive so you guys can hear the car with the exhaust. I would say for me, for my personal reference, the exhaust isn't too loud, nor is it as drony, for me at least personally. I mean, I am pretty young too, so maybe that might play a role, but different from stock. Like, I'm telling you, if you want a tune that will, or a mod that will push you in the back of your seat, the Ktuner TSP Stage 1 would do just that. And for me, for now, I personally think the power is fine. Maybe eventually I'll get the PRL cold air intake or the PRL downpipe, but for now, let this guy on the bike go. It's a kind of windy day out today, so I don't want to roll down the windows and, you know, try to let you guys hear all the wind. Normal driving or cruising, I would kind of say you rarely would hear it in certain RPMs. Sometimes when I have my girl in the car with me, sometimes she doesn't even notice that I have an exhaust on. So I mean, the exhaust isn't loud, and this is the race version, so it doesn't come with mufflers. It does have a resonator, and I feel like that helps a lot with the drone. You guys hear a squeaking noise, it's the food down there. I'll probably take you guys out and show you my car. So it is really dirty right now, and I haven't gotten time to clean it yet, but pretty beat up right now. The quad tips, I tried to do the chrome delete, did a shitty job. I'll probably fix it whenever the weather gets warmer. I'll probably set you guys down and let you hear the exhaust.